Guys, eto na po ang 3!
Another 3-point opportunity for the Germans. So they're
Sabaw muna tayo.
Playoff Ross trying to make his presence felt here.
Yeah, we have Amici coming in for Scotty Thompson dahil may dalawang personal foul. They're 9.87.
Cheers!
San Miguel only has 2 team fouls. They have a lot of fouls.
Cheers!
But they're not able to substitute a guy that can they can afford him for him to foul.
Sinesenisan yan, assistant coach at Augustin si Abay, wag lang ikaw. May ball to give, wag lang ikaw.
Yeah.
Camarrientos to Boy. Free ball. It's the first and the loudest way possible. Free ball dito kay Troy. Is good. He has definitely picked up his shooting here in the semis. Shooting percentage at Magallanes, but he's shooting in the high 30s now so far in this race. 23-17. Barangay Nebra with a huge rally to take a 6-point lead at the end of one. Game 7 we go live on RPTV. We've got 3 more quarters coming up in what promises to be another classic. Dito sa inyong PBA on RPTV. Covered by Sports 5.
Ang next video, wala na. Ito na ang pinaka-last na video ko. Hindi na ako mag-upload. Ay, joke lang. Mag-upload pa ako. Masyado pa dito.
Scotty inbound. Camarrientos sets up the play. Rounding for 3. Pasok. Panalo. Arena Plus, the official partner of the PBA. Sama-sama manood. Panalo. Masaya. Sama-sama sa arena.
No worries.
Kita nyo na sa baba.
With TNT sa'yo.
Yung ano nga ulit?
Only IG.
Yung nakalagay na sa taas dito. That, dito,
Only chikahan.
na new puppy, patay na siya.
Sulit talaga. Kaya doon na sa TNT.
Doon siya nakalibel. Kabila.